Okay, I just wanted to join, I just wanted to play some Marble, some Super Marble Pit, but now it's broke, it, now everybody else that's here before me is now actual John Doe. Or maybe, the buttons, everybody's still John Doe. Um, I'm not sure if this was John Doe or just somebody that's in this game that's a hacker. But, whoa, I have no idea what just happened. I really didn't believe that John Doe is actually a hacker or a bad guy until that just happened. I really didn't. I really didn't believe in John Doe. But, now I do. Now if and I just checked, and John Doe is not online right now. Everybody's John Doe now. Okay, I have a feeling it's not John Doe. It's just somebody random in this game that's a hacker. And I say it's 2011 Jax. And because right, that person said, why are you just like John Doe? And then everybody turns into John Doe. So, and John Doe is not online, and nor is Jane Doe. So I think this is just a random person that's just breaking the. Oh my god! This is crap. No. This is not Jane Doe. That is not John Doe. They're not them. They're just hackers. Oh. Fake John and Jane Does that are hackers. Because they don't have spaces in their name. They don't have spaces in their name. And they don't show up on this. So they could be bots also. But this person is acting like a okay. Who is this? Who's this guy? This is hilarious. I want a marble now. Because these buttons are broken. There's no way to get over there. Is there like a grappling hook that I can like get so I can grapple over to the marble? But the button won't work there either. What? Are you okay? Oh wait. Yeah, this is a slide. Whoa! Okay. Is Jane Doe still here? John Doe just like disappeared. What are you doing over there? Somebody got over there. I have a feeling that's Jane. That's the fake Jane Doe. Is anybody up here? No. Yeah, that's 100% the fake Doe. Fake Jane Doe. John Doe was here. You know what? I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check again. This is just the most hilarious hackers ever. Bye, Zach. Okay. Now let's go to roblox.com. Boop 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 boop. Roblox. Slow. Sign in. Oh, it's back to the strobe. That is just amazing. But just stupid at the same time. And now everybody that's not a John Doe is now going to be a John Doe. So if catastrophic should now be... Oh my god. John Doe is back. Yay. John Doe changed into Jane Doe, and Jane changed back into John Doe. Why is there two John Doe? 3 John Doe. Why is there so many John Doe? John. I think they are just people that are that just got disguised as John Doe. Oh my gosh. Well, I just wanted to play some Super Mario Run Pit. And now everybody has to suffer. I wonder if the whole, all games are like this. There's one I'm in right now. Let's go to... Actually, no. I'm real. Oh my gosh. They are regular people disguised as John Doe. wonder if it says I'm John Doe. Wonder if I'm one of those lucky people that are disguised as John Doe, with the name. But that guy on the orange one is Zach Uller. That is very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. This guy has been disguised as somebody called effing Spasmoids. No way. That's not somebody's real name. Because there's nobody with the... Nobody F. Nobody's name starts with F. You. Type in chat. That's not your real name. Because there's nobody. He's just gone. Yeah. Nope. This guy's called me a noob. Wait. If we reset. Okay, sorry. Nope, I'm still stuck with... Do we already have it? I think I already have it, don't I? Profile. This is Alyssa Rollins literally think. I don't even know. I just don't even know. Got hacked by John Doe. What game is this? This is just weird. Is the game back to normal? Am I still... Can I be back to normal, please? Come on, everybody else is back to normal. Literally everybody else. But I think the hackers stopped, but now I just think the game's broken. Okay, let's try going to another server. Where the heck am I going? Let's try going to another server on the game. That middle one's the one that got hacked. See if all of them are like that. I doubt it. Because I don't think a person can hack multiple games at the same time. You know, it's the same game, just different servers. Now, if it doesn't greet me with tons of fake John Does and okay, I think we're good on this one. Yep, we're good. We are good. Let's go down this amazing. Yeah. So this was just a random video. Hi. That I just decided to make because, well, of what just happened right there. So bye.